excellent after sales service delivers customers for a lifetime. Opterix TEKI is designed to make it very easy for your technicians to complete their job. Let's take a quick tour first. A quick intro here. App tour button. This system works offline. No network is not a problem with Opterix TEKI because it works offline. Back to the tour. The profile menu, search by service ticket number, customer address, phone number, etc. See a quick overview of your performance, total number of tickets assigned, how many are pending, how many are done. And there is a sync button in case you want to manually sync and want to see if there is some new ticket in the system. The tickets are presented like this in the form of cards. The customer's address and the problem detail are presented, and very importantly, the tickets are grouped by urgent, high, medium, and so on, so that you can prioritize your work. Now let's see how work gets done on Opterix TEKI. We click on one of these cards like that, and we are taken to the detail screen. In this screen also there's a tour available to help understand how this flows. There's a back button and there is a summary of the customer, their address and the issue headline. And a progress tracker shows how many of the steps have been completed. Every ticket follows 4 steps. First, the problem statement. Next, the work done. Then the summary, and finally the customer sign off. There's a save draft button that you can use anytime to save the work in a given ticket, and if required you can go back to another ticket and then come back to this. And finally there's a complete button. When you hit the complete button, you're checked out, your data is updated into the server, and a service report is generated. Let us now get going with solving this problem of general service. But before we get started, we must check in. So I hit this check-in button and my location and time have been recorded. And now I'm ready to get started with the work. Step 1 is problem statement. I'm given the equipment number, serial number, etc. and a brief problem from the customer. Here I can write more detail. In case there is an error code, I can put that down here. For example, in case of general service there won't be an error code, but just for example. And I can take pictures here. I can take multiple pictures. I'll just take one for now, like that. You can take a picture of the equipment. And now we are ready for the next step, which is work performed. We are presented with these checkpoints. So we enter, basically check all the checkpoints, make sure we do all these things. And then we say what action was taken. So we write down something like this. I have written dry service performed, system checked for proper functioning. And now we can take one more picture. I'll just take one more picture of the same AC, for example, and hit OK. And that uploads the phone photo after also. And now I'm ready for my third step, which is summary. I can write down whatever summary notes I have to take. There, I have written system tested, working good. You write exactly what you are supposed to write. Okay, and now customer sign off. So the customer name and number come automatically. If required, you can change these things. And next, get the customer to give you a rating like excellent and a remark. These things will go into your records, so get a good remark. And then if you are supposed to collect money, ask the customer for money and note that down. And then give the phone to the customer so that they can sign it. Okay, so the customer will sign like this, and that's it. You're done. You can just hit this complete button to finish the job, all the information is being saved and a report has been generated and uploaded. Shortly will be presented. There it is, service completed. View report. I hit the view report button and I'll be shown the PDF document that has been generated, and the same document will be emailed to the customer. That is how easy it is to finish a job on Opterix. Excellent after sales service delivers customers for a lifetime, and we make it easy for your technicians to deliver excellent customer service. Call 99582 48203 to find out more about this.